I am pissed. Oh my God. Hindi nag-record yung last video ko. I don't know if mag-record or what. Pero I'm pissed. Oh my God. Wala na ako sa mood. Papakita ko na lang ulit tuloy yung binili ko. Pero kasi kanina, I was like pouring my heart out on that video. Talking about life and stuff. Naiyak pa nga ako eh. Next time na lang ulit yun. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko sa Uniqlo. This satin skirt. This pants. This there. Also, pag bumili pala kayo sa Uniqlo ngayon, may sale. I mean, sale pala. And pag naka 3K pataas kayo, makakuha kayo ng libreng bag. So, naka 6K kasi ako, kaya dalawa yung bag ko. And ganito yung itsura niya. Ala, ang lungkot. I was really... Because I was talking so much in that video, I don't think I could do that again. Naiiyak ako. I was pouring my heart out on that video, telling you guys about my life and my feelings and my emotions. Also, and how much I love Jenny. Ito ba? Dress. Long dress. Tsaka, ito. Mostly sale to. Kasi ayoko nang bumili ng hindi sale. Pero naiiyak ako. That was so sayang. Ito. Ito, tatlong ganitong shirt. Kasi feeling ko pwede ko siyang suotin every Friday pag dress down. But guys, oh my God! Sobrang dami kong kwento doon and sinabi about like, sabi ko pa, how when you know about stuff. Hindi ko na ma-formulate yung thoughts ko ulit ng gano'n. Well, maybe I could, but like, ayoko na. Kasi iba pa rin syempre yung raw emotions ko nung kanina. I mean, like, why? Pero kasi mabot siya ng mga 26 minutes. And, I was recording. It was recording. Also, my baby's not messaging. I don't wanna talk anymore. Sobra na nga yung pagsasalita ako. Na-reach ko na yung limit ko for today. I will do my best to do another video like that. Just not today. Would this fall under yap session? Because I'm not, hindi na ako mag-yap. I just put yap session. No! Ano ba yan? Sige na nga, mabay next time na lang.